I love it. I'm excited. Yay. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. These types of videos pop up on my channel Thursdays and Sundays. These particular ones are quarterly because this video, where's my box? Yeah. We're a little heavy. It's okay. Because this video is about my FabFitFun box. And these boxes, in case you didn't know, are quarterly. Also, there's a playlist for these, so you can go check out the ones that I've done previously or that I've received previously. I'll leave more, of course, down in the description below. But basically, you get these quarterly 4 times a year every season. It's really cute. And I think they're like $59 a box. You get a ton of stuff in here, though. I mean, makeup, skincare, lifestyle, health, like beauty, tons. So keep watching if you're wanting to see what's in my box. And then there's also a playlist where you can go see what I've gotten previously. But I love FabFitFun. It's great. One of the best things I've ever been gifted. I'm trying to fit you all in frame here. One of the best things I've ever been gifted, and I chose to keep going because I like it that much. There's been like on and off times, but mostly it's pretty good. And this is my fall FabFitFun. Oh, don't fall. Fall, don't fall. Very cute. Where's my little handy dandy cloud cut knife to open this? We do have a sticky, and of course I'm opening it like the most awkward way possible. Let me switch over to my other hand, my actual working hand here. Oh, we have fall leaves. Very cute. FabFitFun. The box is made of 100% recycled craft materials. Cool. I love this color too, by the way. Look how pretty. Recycle. Recycle. And on top, we have all these cute little papery things. Let me just set this down. It'll be easier if I do it this way. On top, we have all of these little goodie things on top. Of course, stuff for wine. I don't do wine. Stuff for this daily harvest, which I've been kind of looking into a little bit. I'm tempted, just saying. And then this one is for book club for kids. Cute. All my humans are much bigger than that. They're large. And then here we have our little FabFitFun magazine. It kind of gives you a little rundown of the theme. Fall travel, packing hacks, find that fall feeling, culinary school, tips to cook like a pro. Okay. And the whole fall 2022, the whole fall thing doesn't really apply here in Arizona. So it's a cute idea though, let me tell you. We just kind of jump from summer to winter immediately. Yeah, that's it. A little bit of this, some exercises, fall feelings, some of the stuff you could have got. You're gonna love what I got. I think I'm gonna love it too. See, some of the stuff you could have got. And then advertisement. Cool. Kind of excited to see what's in the box. We got some paper, like stuffing paper. And so the one thing I was looking forward to getting, I totally forgot everything else I got. But this one thing I remember I picked because I got it extra, supposedly, is not there. So where is it then? Okay. I don't know. I thought I got an extra item. I don't see it right off. Maybe they like crumpled it up, rolled it up, smushed it down. We'll just go through the box. So this first item that's on top of everything in my box, this is actually going to be a gift. I saw it and I just instantly knew this is something that was needed. So of course I picked it up. It's a vegetable chopper. Real cute. Super handy when it comes to cutting like small peppers, like jalapenos and jalapenos and the Serranos, and mostly the Serranos. Oh, I can't. And it's not that I'm not good at it. It's not that I like am incapable of doing it, but when I cut them, I have a tendency to touch my face. Even with washing my hands, I will still touch my face and it burns. So yes. The next item in my box is from Glow Recipe. It's the Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Hydrating and soothing. So it's the lotion one. I think I had the mask before. It worked really good. And I saw this, so I'm like, why not? The bottle is beautiful. So I figured we should get this too. I love it. It's so cute. Do you smell like watermelon? Like, I know. Oh, am I supposed to just... Oh, I opened it. Well, I mean, I need to open it anyway because I want to smell. Yeah, we got like the artificial watermelon smell to it, which is cool. Very aesthetically pleasing, I guess. It'll look nice on the counter in my bathroom, don't get me wrong, for sure. Poor little box is all like chewed up. I don't know what got a hold of you, but oh yes. Okay, so a little story behind this little cutie. I've been wanting this forever. As soon as I found out what Glossier was, I was like, I have to have this. And I've always been asking for this specific one too. The Birthday Balm DOTCOM. What do they call it? Skin Solve. I've been asking for it for forever. And everyone's like, no, I'm not going to buy you a $30 chapstick. But I really wanted it. And I finally got the chance to get it, so I picked it. I don't care. I love it. It's going to be great. I love Glossier. It's amazing. I'm so excited. Like, not only the packaging is cute, the product itself is adorable. And I'm just going to open it because I'm going to be using this, like, not immediately, but it smells like birthday cake. Yes. Frosting. I know, it's the small things, but it's what I wanted. So the next item in my box, I've never heard of this brand before. It's called Indy Lee. It's supposed to be like a face wash, but a wash. It's a cleanser. And I was like, I've never heard of this before. Might as well try it out. There were a few other choices. Didn't care for them. Pick this up though. Ooh. Weird. Glass. We're heavy. Is that like jelly in there? Came with a tiny little insert. I'm curious. That's it. A lot of languages. Brightening cleanser. Apply to damp skin, massage and rinse for an exfoliating mask. Leave on for 5 minutes before rinsing for external use only. It's a lot of languages, but that's all it is instructions. Cool. Very cute. Have you guys tried this yet? I have not. I wanted to. I hope it goes good with my lashes. I'll have to look more into it now that like I decided to travel down this road. It's pretty big though. I'm kind of shocked. And the packaging is beautiful. Not that that matters because I'm going to throw it away anyway, but ooh. Okay. Something that I kind of wanted to try. So I picked this up also. It's from Living Proof. Duh. It's the Restore Perfecting Spray. It goes beyond moisture for strength, smoothness, and shine. UV heat protection. It's a conditioning detangling spray. I love these. Anything I can put on my hair after I get out of the shower, because I don't use conditioner, it just, I like it. Ooh. We're very like citrusy and like awake-y. I like it. I like that. Yes. Ooh. And the last item. The last item, which was one of the first items I picked, it is this personal air purifier. And I figured, why not Meets California ozone emission limit. Cool. Huh. I figured why not give it a try. I don't think I liked anything else in the category too much that I chose from, but I figured I could get this. What was in that category anyway for me to end up picking this? Oh yeah, there was like the NARS blushes, the pan that I had already had, some bags I didn't care for, and then like the shawl that I already have. So give this a try. Why not? It's supposed to help with pollen, dust, smoke. I don't really have any of that in my house, which is weird. Like, we live in the desert, but I've done pretty, aside from like spring, I've done pretty good about keeping any plants that have pollen out of the house. Dust, not so much. The doors stay closed, and no smoke either. We don't do that. But yeah, that's, oh, and I'm assuming these are cute little freebies. So this one is from Kitsich. Product made from recycled materials, and I absolutely love the way these look. They kind of look like matte jelly almost. These would be perfect for my hair. I've been needing some good clippies too. I wonder how well these will last though, because my hair, she doesn't look it, but she's thick. Ooh, and then the Lumify. This stuff, let me tell you, this stuff works. But, there is a but, and it's a large. It's going to burn, but it works. And then I get burned, it goes away, so you should be fine. That's everything in my box, but I ordered extra. I think this is my first time getting like add-ons or extras or what have you, but where, how do I get them? I have questions. Where do you, I ended up getting the hat that you could get, the ASN hats, the Harper hat. It's not in my box, but it looks like it should be. Should I get my add-ons in my box? Is this, I'm like thinking in my head, did I pull it out? It's a whole hat. I would see it. Huh. Okay. So I'm probably gonna have to track that down. I'll let you know down in the description how it goes. Hopefully it's probably gonna take a while to find out, but I hope I do soon. But let's just recap back through everything I got. I like all of this. I got my air purifier, which we're gonna try out. I got my veggie chopper. So adult of me. I love it. I got my cleanser. Ooh. My moisturizer. My skin is gonna love me. And my hair, the leave-in conditioner stuff / detangler. And then my Glossier. DOTCOM. And I got my cute little add-ons, hair clippies, and then the eye drops. I wanted to call them lash drops. Eye drops. And that's everything. That's everything. That's crazy. So much in such a little box. I would like my hat now, please. Thank you. If I could just get that, that would be great. Anyway, I'm gonna probably contact FabFitFun customer service, see where my hat is. I will catch you next time. Thank you for hanging out. Bye.